My name is Humble. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. That's where I'm staying currently. I originally grew up here in Richmond, Virginia, and we're here at the Capitol Square development building called the Viv. So the piece that I painted is a giant heron, and it's multicolored. It's got some very unusual colors. The design ethos here, the interior design ethos, was based around the Memphis design movement. Came up in the 70s, 80s, and it's a bunch of wild colors and patterns kind of put together. So I took that as inspiration and combined it with some iconography that I use a lot, which is the heron. Symbol of freedom in a way. They maneuver in forest, water, air, land, they're very multifaceted, and I kind of like that idea. So I like to use them in my work to kind of represent that. This has been a crazy project, probably my tallest one to date. It's been really just want to give a shout out to Capitol Square Development for trusting me with this wall and this project in my hometown.